I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement.
Hi dear students, how are you? I hope that you are great, and today we are going to continue talking about the past simple tense. The vocabulary of today is three more verbs in past. The first verb is lived. Lived. For example, I lived in Tabasco 2 years ago. 2 years ago. The next verb is told. Told. Tell in past. Told. Okay. And for example, I told you about the party yesterday. I told you about the party yesterday. And the last verb is wrote. Wrote. The past of the verb write. Write. For example, I wrote a letter yesterday. I wrote a letter yesterday. Continue watching the video for more explanation about the past simple tense.
Do you remember the explanation about past simple? Okay, here you have other verbs in past simple, but these verbs are regular. For example, watched, worked, talked, played, enjoyed, finished, started, rained, and opened. Okay, all these verbs you have to add ed because are irregular verbs. Now you have the irregular verbs. Irregular verbs are difficult. You just have to memorize them. Practice and repeat the verb, the irregular verb. For example, in present, the verb break. In past is broke. Come, came. Eat, ate. Drive, drove. Say, said. Write, wrote. Okay, and you have another verbs: do, did, go, went, see, saw, teach, taught, understand, understood. Okay, practice all the verbs. The activities are: practice the verbs with cards, write 3 sentences in past tense, and
See you tomorrow and remember, eat fruits and vegetables.